In our darkest hours, humanity shines like a bright ray of hope. The pandemic has been a difficult time for everyone, but there have been so many extraordinary stories of unlikely heroes who have shown us that there is light at the end of this tunnel. We owe it to them that we do not give up now. The struggle is not over yet. Many are still grieving the loss of their loved ones. Many more continue to fight for their lives. Doctors and paramedics are yet to take a full night's rest, waging a war in the hospitals every day. Now is not the time to step back. It is the time to rise up and show that we care. How can we help? The need of the hour is to help contain the spread of the virus, provide life-saving support to critical patients, and take care of the most vulnerable, children and families. Our own ground team has been working tirelessly since the last year, taking medical services to the doorsteps of people, helping reduce the burden of the hospitals, and taking care of people's health at this critical time. Going door to door as well as through telecounseling, they are sensitizing people in slums and remote villages regarding COVID precautions, safety measures and vaccinations to ensure that no one suffers due to lack of awareness. Emergency response teams have been deployed to procure and provide oxygen cylinders and concentrators, BiPAP machines and other life-saving support to critical patients in need and to COVID care centers. We have been standing in solidarity with daily wagers and their families who have been hit the hardest and are battling both hunger and disease. So far, we have been able to provide more than 27.7 million meals to the most vulnerable families. With the crucial support and contribution of thousands of people like you, we have already been able to reach over 1 million people. But there is a lot more to do. We want to reach at least 2 million people with our COVID relief services. However, we cannot do this alone. We need your support. Together, you, we, all of us, we are the light at the end of this tunnel. We are the hope. Let's not fail those who have lost their lives. Let's not fail those who are awaiting help. Let's not fail those who are putting their own lives on the line to save others. Let us come together to do what we can. Join our efforts to make a small difference in this hour of the need, because every life matters. Health cannot wait.